A lot of people ask me, what's the real difference between ADSS and OPGW cables? Let me keep it simple and straightforward. First, the similarities: both are self-supporting, mounted on power towers, no extra wires needed, and both carry optical signals for communication. Now the key differences. ADSS is 100% metal-free, just fiberglass and plastic, so it doesn't conduct electricity. It's an add-on cable, installed later on existing power towers, without touching the power lines. Great for resisting high voltage, lightning, and EMI. Perfect for upgrading old power lines with communication. OPGW is a 2-in-1 solution, a power grounding wire plus a fiber optic cable. It has a metal outer layer for grounding, with fiber inside. It replaces the original top ground wiring on new power lines, and must be installed during initial construction. It handles lightning protection and data transmission at the same time. To wrap it up, a DS add-on, metal-free, for existing lines. OPGW, built-in, part of the power grounding wire, for new lines. Need communication on old lines? Worried about ME? Go with ADSS. Building new power lines that need both grounding and communication? Choose OPGW. Simple rules. ADS for old lines, OPGW for new lines. You can't go wrong.